Welcome to the latest installment of Grind Time with Rudy. I'm taking a break from doing the major service on Risky Business because luckily I found out that my latest recycling day for hazardous waste in my town is this morning. So it's the perfect time to get rid of the old gas that's in the car, as well as the coolant we took out for the major service earlier this week. So let me take you through that. Stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you want to make sure is you don't have any electrical contacts around, and you want to have a fire extinguisher close by. So I've got that, and I have one of these hand pumps you can buy at an auto parts store. And then you'll see I have a number of these buckets that I just bought from local hardware store, and with the caps. The fuel gauge, because I have the car apart right now, I tried to turn it on without, God forbid, hitting the crank, and the gas gauge is not showing me very much fuel. So I'm hoping there isn't a lot, and this is a fairly quick job, but it's just good. The car's been sitting a couple of years. On top of that, who knows when the gas was put in. So I want to give the best chance I can to get rid of the stale gas and give it fresh gas when I go to start this. Rolled up. I want to make sure it'll hold down while I extract. So here we go. Once I have that going, it's just a matter of letting that siphon out and keeping a close eye on it. Alright, so I've opened the door for ventilation, and what I've found is I've had to go a couple of times to make sure the hose is in the right place to get everything out, and it is siphoning a little bit more, so it's probably going to be about, I would say, less than 10 gallons. So we shall see. I filled up one of the buckets to about 3/4 full, and I'm just going to put one of the covers on. So that I can safely transport it. So sometimes it just takes wiggling the hose around a little bit. The more I can get out now, I don't have to get every last drop out. I could have taken, this is one of the cars that has the sending unit accessible from the hatch. I could have taken the whole unit out and easily did it. This is just as good, and I prefer not having to add assembly of components. So quick job here. All right, well, that ended up being if you can see it in the distance there, but it was probably about half a tank, about 10 gallons. So all set now. We'll take that off to the recycling center here in a little bit as soon as it opens. Hopefully there won't be too much of a line, and we'll go from there. And now we wait. This could be a while, but it's the right thing to do. So stay tuned. I'm about a mile away from the entrance of this.
20 minutes later. Two hours later.
Thank you. Well, there you have it. 2 hours later, at least I got rid of all that shit. So we're good to go.